Calcite, the main mineral of limestone and marble, has many uses in production and life. The purpose of calcite ball pressing machine application is to reduce dust, control capacity, return utilization, improve transport characteristics, and other capacity design. Is mainly used for calcite powder pressed into pellets. Calcite ball press roll with 65 manganese casting. After special heat treatment, the hardness can reach more than 58 degrees. The roller is assembled in combination and can be replaced after wear. Calcite ball press has a buffer device, which can better protect the equipment from the impact of hard objects. Calcite ball press is designed with ball bowl adjustable device, so that the two-roller ball bowl is always within the adjustable range, never dislocation. The actual density of the material in the process of ball pressing can be increased by 1 to 3 times, so as to meet certain strength requirements.